Alright guys, it's another Zippo trick for you guys. So this one, I don't know the exact name for it, but I'm gonna go ahead and call it put your foot down. And yeah, so let's get right into it. All you have to really do is pinch the Zippo between your the body of the Zippo between your middle finger and your thumb, and make sure the hinge is facing your thumb. So all you have to do is put your index finger on the lid from a surface, pull it up into the air, and as you're pulling it up, flip the cap open with your index finger by just pushing it open as you go up. And once you get up, you come back down, and once you hit the surface, you kind of don't move your finger, and when you hit the surface, you light the Zippo. Alright, got a little bit of a feel on there, but yeah, got my custom. And yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. If you want to see the other Zippo tutorial videos, click the annotations above, and I'll see you guys later. Take care.